Made a little more progress on the little video shallow water boat. Decided to go ahead and put a little platform area up in the front of it. I'm gonna try to build a little bit of storage area in the front, maybe for life jackets or little tackle boxes or little throw net, cast net or something like that. Not gonna be a giant amount of space, but try to make that flat. But you see that level across there, so you have a little platform to stand on. A little casting platform, I guess you could say. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the center console right over there. Now I don't have everything completely braced up. It's just kind of set in place and got all those notched out and put in place. The transom is not where it needs to be, but we're going to be working on that tomorrow. Post your comments on what you would change or what you see wrong on this build so far. We got to do some reinforcing up there. Never built a boat before, so this is all new to me. Reinforce the sides over there. I wish I'd put the joint further back, or the splice further back here. Should have put the 8-foot sheets in the front, and the remainder 6'4" in the back. We'll put that splice further back here because it's going to take some pounding up there. But I think with that 24-inch splice, the joints there all the way across should be pretty sturdy. We're not going to be running out there in the middle of the bay anyway. We're going to be running along the shallow coastline, shorelines and stuff like that. So we're not going to be battling terrific swells and big old deep water with it. Or at least that's not our intentions. But yep, that's the progress we've made so far. We'll do a little bit more tomorrow. Update you with a new video at that point in time.